Could you imagine being a white person and the person that came in that was falsely identified was black? Rite Aid banned from using facial recognition software after falsely identifying shoplifters. That is hilarious.
All right, let's check out this article.
Can we please just like focus on the fact that this? All right, let's. The FTC says the company's reckless use of AI humiliated customers.
Rite Aid is that it's
like a Walgreens or something.
They are like pretty much going out of business too.
They look
Poor
like
company.
it.
They cannot get a break.
Look at their logo.
Yeah, that's awful.
Walgreens and CVS are just dominating the space. But I want to talk to the CTO of this company. Where'd it go wrong, buddy? Well, at first everything was going right. Then we had some DEI initiative to update the algorithm because it couldn't detect certain faces. We did that, and then it just said a bunch of white people were thieves. Bunch of false arrests were made, and we just did the best that we could. But we're in bankruptcy right now, so can't talk a lot about it.
What is this technology? So it's probably just a camera that. But what do you need AI for? To
maybe it's like some GitHub project. It's Rite Aid. They're probably not spending a lot of money. Some open source like facial detection, and they would detect when someone grabs an object, the cost of it, and then what their total checkout was, and then maybe that messed up. I don't know. I would like to know how it messed up. Oh, here it goes. In partnership with 2 contracted companies, created a watch list database containing images of customers that the company had engaged in criminal activity at one of its stores. These images, which were often poor quality, were captured from CCTV or employees' mobile phone cameras. Is that the official Rite Aid policy when someone's
So I go to Rite Aid.
Yeah.
I go to Rite Aid and I forget to scan something. And the CCTV, which always looks great, super crystal clear. You can always see every detail of the face. And some employee like
they are using their employees' mobile phone cameras to capture and upload to their AI pictures of people.
Oh, but
stealing?
there's the actual story there. When a customer entered a store who supposedly matched an existing image on its database, employees would receive an automatic alert instructing them to take action. And the majority of the time, this instruction was to approach and identify it, meaning verifying the customer's identity and asking them to leave. Often these matches were false positives that led to the employees incorrectly accusing customers of wrongdoing. The employees had to like approach these guys. Oh, that's so embarrassing for them.
Could you imagine being a white person and the person that came in that was falsely identified was black? Oh, sorry, sir, you might be a thief. You gotta leave.
That would be so embarrassing.
Oh my gosh. I'm surprised no videos went viral from that.
I think it's probably all under lock and key.
It probably is.
They're fighting enough bankruptcy and potential lawsuits as it is.
Here we go. They said that they failed to mitigate risk to certain customers due to their race. The technology was more likely to generate false positives in stores located in plurality Black and Asian communities than plurality white communities. The findings note.
Wow.
Okay. Guys.
So the AI was racist.
Let's pay attention to a couple things. The first thing is that the camera quality matters so much. I guarantee you, if you're uploading 10 megabyte photos of headshots of black people, white people, and Asian people, the AI is getting it right 99.99999% of the time. Okay? But when you're feeding it fuzzy CCTV images, yeah, it's not going to work. That doesn't mean it's racist. It just means it doesn't have enough fidelity of data. Like it's not high quality enough. Right?
Right.
Right?
I mean, I guess. That makes sense.
Like, or wouldn't that be the bar? Like I know how the AI works on a fairly detailed level. It's quality issues and lighting issues. That's what it comes down to.
I just can't believe is that they would send their employee to go and confront these people. Like, that is, if I'm working as a minimum wage cashier, I don't think I'm just like, no, that's not in my.
I would like to see more of it.
Grade.
I would like to see more. I would like to see bonuses handed out if they would make the tackle. Face Off. Facial recognition software has emerged as one of the most controversial facets of AI-powered surveillance.
That's true, because like, you know what they're doing in China,
The social credit system?
how the credit system, it is a controversial topic, and we should do a video on that sometime.
Yeah, I want to know how their AI is so advanced it can tell the difference between all the different Chinese people. That's what I want to know. Yeah,
Well,
it's more advanced than me.
you can't say stuff like
Yes,
that.
I
You're
can.
gonna get yourself in trouble. You're gonna get yourself in
I'm
trouble.
admitting to my inability to AI detect certain things. I'm sorry, I'm not a perfect AI. I'm organic. I'm human. Don't be rude. Don't be rude to me because I'm just a standard human.
Get a better meat computer.
My mute computer's running low. Headed on over. Oh, to the comments section.
Nice.
Wasn't there just a headline that Rite Aid freely gives government medical details of any consumer from their pharmacy? Now this, who the heck is running that company?
Honestly, who is running this company? Joel, you need to get him on an episode of Modern CTO and just
do.
say, dude, what are you doing?
The bankruptcy court is apparently running the company. That's who they had to interact with.
Yeah. True.
I've seen this situation so many times. The sales guy comes in promising some upper management that their product does. I have to filter myself on these.
Just say douchebag.
Douchebag.
Joel. Just say
that
it.
their product does amazing things, said to douchebag.
Said douchebag with no expertise thinks they've made some discovery that will make their career. They buy crappy beta V version 0.2 product and implement with high priority, no POC testing, ignoring all the protests and warning from the tech experts because douchebag has made this a pet project. Nice. Then we find out the sales guy did exactly what they do every time, greatly exaggerate what the product can do, and left out all the got-yas. Douchebag blames vendors, cancels contract, vendor makes a cool $1 million, times the number of douchebags they had on the hook. Vendor CEO gets rich, sells failed company to his new venture, wash hands, repeat.
Lunar next. I think we just became best friends. Nailed it. Absolutely nailed it. I'm not saying anything I disagree with. My name's on the channel. It's called The Joel Beasley Show. Oh gosh, child labor. This is interesting. Does anyone talking about the article?